Yeah, today we're gonna get these footrests cleaned up. I like to get them painted, cleaned up. So today we're gonna do that. Got new bolts for these. I guess I better grab my, what is that, a 13? It's kind of funny, I'm using metric on probably what's standard. Just felt a little bit loose. I wasn't sure if the bolt was wore out on them. So I got two new ones coming. So I don't know if you watched the last video, but the rear shoes were wrong. The rear brake shoes. So I got a new set ordered. I ended up ordering them from the local Yamaha shop because some of the parts that I ordered for this say they would work, but I get them and they're wrong. So there's a few parts I had to reorder. Man, that thing's stuck in there pretty good. I'm gonna rotate this bench around so I can use the vise. Little itty bitty little vise. Works good for stuff like this. If I can get it to stay on my bench. Yeah, I ended up ordering a new rear brake rod too because I don't know if you watched the last video. That adjuster nut was stuck pretty good. I had to put heat on it, and then I got to looking at the rod, and the rod was all warped and stuff, and the nut wouldn't go back on there very good. So I ended up ordering a new brake rod too. So these are used. I bought these from someone on eBay because the other set, I was actually missing this part right here because the frame got damaged. Very first video I showed you guys, the peg got ripped off that frame, that other frame, so I had to order a new set. Yeah, I was missing this, the footrest part too. Let me get a little hammer. I gotta knock that thing out. Yeah, it's coming out. It's probably been in there for a while. Got this little vise. It's just a little lip down here this vise is holding on to, so. Alright, got that pretty good. I'm gonna run this wire brush in between here and clean the center of this up a little bit. Yeah, normally you could probably use a cabinet sandblaster for this, but this will work just fine for this. Alright, all those look pretty good. I don't have any acetone, so, well, brake cleaner pretty much has acetone in it, so I'm going to clean these up with a little bit of brake clean and then we'll put a coat of paint on them. Alright. Alright, I got those cleaned up. I've just used a little bit of brake clean on these. It has acetone in it, so just get all the oils off. And I got some high quality Krylon paint. It's got a primer in it, so something small like this, you know, this will work just fine. The frame and stuff like that, I'll get powder coated. Probably not the best temperature to be painting right now anyways. It's kind of cold out in my shop. Alright, we'll give that a few minutes to dry. Alright, so I'm going to give these parts a chance to dry, and then I'll flip them over and paint the other side, but I'm going to end the video here. Stay tuned because I have a lot of stuff ordered for this bike. stay tuned because I have a lot of stuff ordered for this bike. In fact, I need to kind of go through all the parts that I got to make sure I got everything I need. I'm sure there's still going to be a lot of parts that I still need once I start getting into it. But that's kind of what I've been doing right now, is just ordering parts for this thing so we can kind of get enough stuff to make some videos. So yeah, stay tuned. If you like this kind of stuff, hit the like and subscribe, support the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.